Think about this. Why do you have to pay to build a business while you can do it for free? Welcome to the world's fastest guide to starting a business with no money. Now, I am gonna share with you the tools that can be very helpful to build your business. And most of these tools are free, and some are free tiers. I spent weeks searching for these tools, and I don't want you to struggle and reinvent the wheel. Use Wix or WordPress.com or Solo to create a free website. For branding, Canva lets you design professional graphics that increase your engagement rate. You can use AI image generators like Ideogram or Flux to generate your logo. To edit the logo, use Photopea, which is a free version of Photoshop. Never spend a dime on logo creation. To come up with a name, use tools like Namelix or come up with your own names. But make sure the name is not too weird, else people will misunderstand you as a cult leader. Ever heard of ClickUp? It's an all-in-one project management tool that's quite helpful for startups. You can create tasks, assign them, and even automate routine activities. Market like a pro, without paying a dime. Use Buffer to schedule your posts. Create all the posts you need and schedule them using Buffer. Buffer will take care of posting it, thus marketing is solved. But what about copywriting? Use AI tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic. Both have a free tier. But my personal choice is Gemini AI. Need to go viral? Use ChatGPT for ideas, and answer the public to find trending questions in your niche. Time is money, so automating boring tasks is so important that it saves tons of our time. Tools like Zapier or Make connect apps and automate workflows. Example, a new order on your site? Zapier will notify you, email the customer, and update your spreadsheet faster than you ever can. Use platforms like Shopify Starter for small scale or go for Gumroad to sell digital products. For payment handling, PayPal or Stripe are great free options. No accounting degree? Who cares? Wave Accounting helps you manage finances for free. Grow smarter, not harder. HubSpot CRM keeps customer relationships in check. MailChimp has a free plan for email marketing. It is powered by AI to optimize your campaigns. Want to sharpen your skills? Check out free resources on Coursera or YouTube itself. Don't just watch cat videos on YouTube, use it to build your knowledge. Okay guys, I have shared all the tools, resources, and AI I know. This is your chance to utilize them all in your business development process and escape the 9-to-5 trap. I have also made a quick video about escaping the 9-to-5 trap. Try to watch it for a better understanding of building a business with no money. And remember, this is Empty Wallet Startup, where empty pockets are just fuel for creative solutions. As I said in the introduction video, please have the mindset to help other brokepreneurs like me by sharing wisdom such as tools, AI, and other resources you know in the comments section. And if you have not watched the introduction video, please do watch it, the link in the comment section. And see you in the next video.